Good afternoon to Doctor and fellow friends. We are from Group 18, our given team as Airport Cargo Forecasting, Planning and Development. Our title will be Green Airport Cargo System and Overview of Issues, Strategic and Challenges. I'm Morgana Priya Mukundan 262934 are going to present about my part. Abstract. Airports are important link in the air transportation system as well as in the connectivity of region. In recent years, there are growing demand for innovative and efficient solutions to achieve green cargo system. Green cargo system in airports and infrastructure were also planned to minimize the environmental effects. The objectives presented in this paper are in context of sustainability in environment, eco-friendly long-term business and ensure the traffic safety. The result of the research will be the safety and eco-friendly aspects of the airport cargo system as well as the quality service that hits customer requirements. Uh, it will ensure that the green cargo airports in future will be safe and secure, as well as green, automated, linked, and smart. First is introduction. As well, the global approach of future with limited sources and higher consumption, developing a sustainability society that protects and promotes global production and become a top priority. Airports have been long a major generator of non-environmental activity, whether it's due to the high level of pollution releasing by the planes and the noise that disturb the ecology when the planes take off. Airport planning is the most valuable asset in the nation that represents a significant public investment. Problem statement. Generally, airport development expansions have been only around the airport, such as supply and demand estimated and other aeronautical and engineering factors. Problems affecting the long-term viability of certain industrial sectors, such as cargo in aircraft, are most unexplored. Furthermore, due to the complicated system approach in airport ground access, infrastructure development and funding source will be continued to be significant issues for the airport planners. Literature review. The goals outlined in this paper are in context of environmental and economic sustainability, long-term eco-friendly cargo business, and traffic safety in Malaysian airports. First, according to Aaron and Jonas' 2011, the volume of cargo exports have significantly dropped in recent years as a result of changing order and delivery mechanism, resulting in increased competition within the air cargo business. Second, Sharil 2012. Sustainability transportation is divided to these broad concepts which refer to the movement of people and things in environmentally, socially and economically sustainable ways. That is Miroslav 2020. A fundamental to ensuring the future of air cargo is the establishment of long-term strategic investment to build a sustainability sector. IATA is collaborating on a number of cargo system development programs that address environmental, social, and economic concerns. Fourth is Hugh YC 2018 that his article examines that the customer-contractor relationship impacts on the quality of service offered by air cargo terminals and identify 8 critical features. Research methodology used by our study is qualitative method, which is fully use technology data as journals, articles, newspaper, conference proceeding, and many more to gain information about our research. Instead of that, these studies also might be helpful and enable to gain knowledge for other researchers in future research about this cargo air system.
Hello everyone, my name is Nurshada binti Abdul Wahab and my metric number is 263092. I will explain about discussion. First, the overview. Malaysia Airport Group operates about 120 airlines and move 1 million tons of cargo per year and serve about 133 million passengers each year. And the goal of Malaysia Airport KLIA Aeropolis project is to create an integrated air cargo network with air, sea and land connection. Malaysia also aims to become the ASEAN region preferred regional air freight and logistic hub.
Next, the way forward. First, an integrated assessment method is needed to allow for the stakeholders to evaluate their current stand and to carry out future planning. It is needed to evaluate the green level of an airline or an airport so that they know how and what to do in planning towards a green airline. So this given an indirect pressure to the airline or airport to strive for a greener fleet or operation. Second is setting future regulation and promoting green policy. The policymaker may consider to encourage the continual green performance of airline by having incentive-based or reward-based regulation for which a particular airline which has exhibits a greener performance should be given some reward. In return, the incentive-based or reward-based policy may be more encouraging to be one of the alternative solutions for the airline to be greener. And lastly is an integrated framework or guideline on how the stakeholders in airport system could play the role. This framework should chart the role and responsibility of the stakeholders and outline the possible strategy for each party to work towards green air transport system. Next is strategy for air cargo development. First is leading the air cargo committee. The airport is able to monitor the efficiency of the cargo operation and ensure the availability of quality service for its airline. This example is fast processing, reliable delivery, and safe handling. Second is operational strategy. Flight optimization, such as optimize aircraft trajectory and ground operation optimization. For instance, optimize aircraft taxing operation. Third is enabling cargo potential. Airport need to understand that the economic impact of cargo and leverage it to engage in dialogue with local policymaker and trade representatives. This is important to joint ownership opportunity for cargo expansion. Lastly is cargo capabilities. Connectivity is one of the most important factors for a cargo operator within the end-to-end supply chain. In the developing cargo business, airports should strive to provide wide network covering cargo market of interest and a range of operator and routes. Next is the challenges. First is environmental compliance. A large number of privatized airports end up in the hands of public, unlisted company, and there are limited legal requirements for this company to express commitment and sustainable economic, social, and environmental progress. Second is lack of change. The Airport Act has not developed alongside the economic, social, and environmental paradigm shift. So much of the legislation is now outdated and slightly archaic and is in much need of a makeover. Lastly is capacity management. In many urban areas, it is currently difficult to expand airport. Either there is no room for growth or there is no political will or support for expansion project. The conclusion, air travel continues to experience the fastest growth among all modes of transportation. In the next few decades, air travel is forecast to experience the fastest relative growth among all modes of transportation, especially due to manifold increase in demand in major developing nations of Asia and Africa. Aviation also plays a significant role in modern socio-economy, providing connectivity and accessibility and facilitating commerce. So that's all from our group. Thank you.